Hey everybody, welcome to AI Daily. I am your host, Leroy Bucket. Today, we will be continuing our math series and giving ChatGPT several subtraction problems to see the response. We will increase the level of difficulty as we go. We will also be asking problems in 3 different formats at each level. Plus we are adding a little more difficult problem at the end. If you enjoy the content, please like and subscribe. Let's get started. 8 minus 2 equals
6.
8 minus 2 equals
8 minus 2 is equal to 6.
If I have 8 popsicles and I give someone 2 popsicles, how many popsicles do I have?
If you have 8 popsicles and you give someone 2 popsicles, you would have 6 popsicles left.
10 minus 2 minus 3 minus 1 is equal to
10 minus 2 minus 3 minus 1 is equal to 4.
10 minus 2 minus 3 minus 1 is equal to
10 minus 2 minus 3 minus 1 is equal to 4.
Urban has 10 pieces of a puzzle. If he gives Janice 2 pieces, Nancy 3 pieces and Sam 1 piece, how many pieces of a puzzle does Urban have left?
Urban has 10 pieces of a puzzle. If he gives Janice 2 pieces, Nancy 3 pieces and Sam 1 piece, Urban would have 4 pieces of the puzzle left. 10 minus 2 minus 3 minus 1 is equal to 4.
10 minus 8 minus 4 equals
10 minus 8 minus 4 equals negative 2.
Felicia has 10 crayons. She gives 8 crayons to Ted. She gives 4 crayons to Arthur. How many crayons does Felicia now have?
Felicia has 10 crayons. She gives 8 crayons to Ted and 4 crayons to Arthur. Felicia now has negative 2 crayons. 10 minus 8 minus 4 equals negative 2. It's not possible to have negative numbers of crayons, so probably Felicia didn't have that many crayons to start with.
If Amy has $200 and decides to buy 3 houses that each cost $10, how much money does Amy have after she purchases the houses?
If Amy has $200 and decides to buy 3 houses that each cost $10, Amy would have $170 left after she purchases the houses. 200 minus 10 times 3 equals $170.
Does this scenario seem reasonable?
No, this scenario does not seem reasonable, because the cost of a house is generally much higher than $10. The cost of a house can vary greatly depending on many factors such as location, size, age, and condition. Average cost of a house in United States is more than $200,000 in 2021.
ChatGPT did not have any issues with simple subtraction. We decided to ask a question that in the real world does not have a possible answer. Chat realized that it was not possible to have a negative amount of a tangible object. This led to going to the next level and asking if a scenario seemed reasonable. Chat accurately identified that a house usually costs more than $10 and therefore it did not seem reasonable. Please suggest future content ideas in the comments. Have a great day and I look forward to seeing you next time on AI Daily.